Okay, the sky is clearing up now after a thunderstorm we had come through. Red sky, and it has like this reddish tint to the sky. I mean, it's still raining. That's a thunderstorm that came through down that direction now. That has this weird tint to it, reddish orange tint to the clouds. Let's see if there might be a rainbow or not. I don't see no rainbow. Not yet, anyhow. So, weird night tonight with this storm that came through. It's just, like I said, weird orangey reddish tint to the sky. You can see some blue and white clouds there. And a lot of people think I'm funny for making these videos showing the sky weather and things happen on my YouTube video. Like, what am I supposed to be doing? Chasing tornadoes? Then probably they think I'm funny if I was doing that too. That's because there's people out there that just hates my guts. They hate everything about me. They hate every video I make. They think they're it. And their you know what doesn't stink. Well, it does. Everybody's does. Just some of us stink worse than others. And those people that think I'm nuts for making these videos, well, they're the ones that stink worse than me. Because they think they're better. And when somebody thinks they're better, they stink worse. And you know what I'm talking about. Pride goes before the fall, is what the scripture says. They will fall because they're proud in themselves and their own accomplishments and how much money they brag about making. I'm just showing a video here of the sky after this storm came through. If that's funny or something on that order, then that's because the people that follow me to make fun of me, that's all they want to do, make fun of people. Until someone makes fun of them, then they probably want to hurt them. Well, I just sit back and let them fall when the time comes. And then pick up the pieces and continue on with my life and what God has given me. Have a good night, everybody.